Hello student, hope you are fine. Myself Sri K. D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In last lecture, we detail discuss molecular basis of inheritance chapter content concept, protein synthesis, transcription unit and the gene processing of hnRNA, that is heterogeneous nuclear RNA. Today we are going to learn some more concept include in molecular basis of inheritance chapter: genetic code, dictionary of genetic code, characteristics of genetic code. So let us start today's first concept, genetic code. We know that DNA is a master molecule of the cell because DNA initiate, guides, regulate and control the process of protein synthesis. You know, protein synthesis is one of the most important process of living cell. So protein synthesis process initiate, guides, regulates and control by DNA. So DNA is master molecule of the cell. In the DNA, such information means protein synthesis process information stored in the sequence of nucleotides, that is nitrogen bases. Such evidenced by Yanofsky and Sarabhai 1964. We know 20 different type of amino acids are involved in process of protein synthesis. DNA molecule has 4 types of nitrogen bases like adenine nitrogen base, thymine nitrogen base, cytosine nitrogen base, guanine nitrogen base. To identify these 20 different amino acids, question arises, how it is possible that 20 type of amino acids are encoded by 4 type of nitrogen bases? According to Crick, the information for protein synthesis is stored in the form of coded language cryptogram called as genetic code or codons. Always remember, according to Crick, the information of protein synthesis is stored in the form of coded language cryptogram called as genetic code or codons. Each codon represents specific amino acid. Each and every codon represents specific amino acid. Genetic code is actual collection of base sequences that correspond to each amino acid. A single nitrogen base in a codon, singlet codon, will encode for only 4 different types of amino acids, while a combination of 2 nitrogen bases, doublet codon, will specify only 16 different type of amino acids, while a combination of 3 nitrogen bases, triplet codon, will specify 20 different type of amino acid. Always remember, single nitrogen base, singlet codon, coded only 4 different type of amino acid. 2 nitrogen base combination, doublet codon, specify only 16 different type of amino acid. 3 nitrogen bases combination triplet codon specify 20 different type of amino acids. Hence, G. Gamow 1954 suggested that a codon must be combination of 3 nitrogen bases. A codon must be combination of 3 nitrogen bases that specify 20 different types of amino acids. Means each and every codon have 3 nitrogen bases that specify 20 different type of amino acids. Thus, total 64 different codons in the dictionary of genetic code, and each code has to be a triplet codon. Every 3 nucleotides in DNA will constitute a triplet codon. Genetic code is a triplet code. Genetic code is a triplet code was evidenced first by Crick 1961 using frame shift mutation. First evidence proved by Crick genetic code is triplet code having 3 nitrogen bases. Means each and every genetic code have 3 nitrogen bases specify a specific amino acid. What is actually dictionary of genetic code? Here dictionary of genetic code is seen. First letter uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Same second letter uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Third letter, each column contain uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Same noted here. Combination of 3 nitrogen bases here. This first letter U, second letter U, and third letter U means U genetic code specify amino acid phenylalanine. Same first letter U, second letter U, and third letter C, C also same amino acid specify here. First letter U, second letter U, and third letters A, A specify leucine amino acid. Number 4th here, first letter U, second letter U, and third letter G means G also specify leucine amino acid. Same total 64 codons noted here specify total 20 different amino acids. Only 3 codons are specially denoted UAA stop codon, UAG also stop codon, UGA also stop codon. Means termination or stop codon do not specify any one amino acid other than all these noted different triplets codons are specify different amino acids noted here. All total 64 codons specify total 20 different amino acids. Now here noted all these amino acids are short form as well as long form noted, like ALA means alanine, CYS means cytosine, here HIS means histidine, VAL means valine. So here short form is noted. Each and every code specify a specific amino acid. Here in this column, all these 4 different codes specify leucine amino acid. Here also valine amino acid, same GUU, GUC, GUA, GUG specify valine amino acid. So this is the dictionary of genetic code. Now M. Nirenberg and Mathai synthesis artificial mRNA which contained only one type of nitrogen base. Always remember, M. Nirenberg and Mathai synthesis artificial mRNA which contained only one type of nitrogen base, that is uracil homopolymer. Dr. Hargobind Khurana devised a technique for synthesis of artificially mRNA with repeated sequences of known nucleotides. He prepared chains of polyribonucleotides, repeated sequence of 2 or 3 nucleotides, example CUC, UCU, CUC, UCU means repeated 2 or 3 nucleotide sequences noted here. This resulted in formation of polypeptide chain having 2 different amino acids placed alternately like leucine and serine, means leucine, serine like formation of polypeptide chain resulting Dr. Hargobind Khurana. Similarly, formation of polynucleotide chain with 3 nitrogen bases repeated gave polypeptide chain with only 1 amino acid. Also 2 different amino acid as well as 1 amino acid, formation of polynucleotide chain by Dr. Hargobind Khurana. Example CUA, 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 leucine means only 1 amino acid. Here leucine and serine, 2 amino acid, formation of polypeptide chain, 1 amino acid, formation of polypeptide chain. Always remember Dr. Hargobind Khurana's discovery. Now find out what is the amino acid sequences encoded by base sequences UCA, UUU, UCC, GGG, AGU on an mRNA segment with the help of Dictionary of Genetic Code on mRNA triplet codon sequence. Noted this sequence specify which amino acid sequence. So first triplet codon present on mRNA UCA, seen here, UCA This one is UCA triplet codon. This is the UCA. Specify serine amino acid. So the first codon on mRNA UCA specify amino acid serine. Second U. So this is the U sequence of triplet codon specify phenylalanine amino acid noted here. Phenylalanine amino acid. Serine link with phenylalanine amino acid. Number third codon UCC. This is the UCC triplet codon specify also serine amino acid. Here noted serine amino acid. Next GGG. Here GGG triplet codon specify glycine amino acid. Noted here glycine amino acid. And last AGU. Here noted AGU also specify serine amino acid. Noted here serine amino acid. So if on mRNA UCA, UUU, UCC, GGG, AGU triplet codon sequence specify this type of amino acid sequence: serine, phenylalanine, serine, glycine and serine. Here clearly seen that with the help of dictionary of genetic code present on mRNA triplet codon, amino acid sequence encoded noted here. Hope that you understood everything. Now characteristics of genetic code. Number 1, genetic code is triplet code. Genetic code is triplet code. Sequence of 3 consecutive nucleotides specify one particular amino acid. In every living organism, genetic code is a triplet code. Each and every living organism genetic code is triplet code, means each code contains 3 nitrogen bases. For example, here mRNA strand AUG is one of the triplet code, like this triplet code. UAA is also a triplet code. So genetic code is a triplet code. Always remember, genetic code has distinct polarity. Genetic code has distinct polarity is one of the characteristics of genetic code. Genetic code show definite polarity, that is direction. Genetic code is always read 5-3 direction. Here 5-3 direction means read from 5 to 3 direction, like AUG, UCG, not GCU. Read from 5th end to 3 end means AUG. Example, 5th end AUG, 3rd end. Third characteristics of genetic code. Genetic code is non-overlapping. Genetic code is non-overlapping. Each single nucleotide is a part of only one codon. Now, genetic code is commaless because there is no gap between successive codons. Here, first codon is connected to second codon, connected to third codon, means not gap formation seen in between two codons. So genetic code is commaless. There is no gap between successive codons. Fourth genetic code characteristic is genetic code has degeneracy. Why genetic code has degeneracy? Two or more codons can specify same amino acid. Two or more codon can specify same amino acid. Example, cysteine has two codons, means two codons specify same amino acid, cysteine. Second example, isoleucine has three codon, means three codons specify isoleucine amino acid. This is called as degeneracy of the code. Degeneracy of the code explained by Abel hypothesis. Degeneracy of the code explained by Abel hypothesis, in that first two bases in different codons are complementary. First two bases in different codons are complementary, but the third one may not be complementary. In Abel hypothesis, first two bases in different codons are complementary, but the third one may not be complementary, seen in diagrammatic representation. Here clearly seen. This is the perfect pair in between mRNA and tRNA. Here GUU on mRNA, CAA on tRNA anticodon. So here clearly perfect pairing seen, but in Abel pairing on mRNA GUC, here two bases are perfect complementary, but third one is not complementary. Here also two are complementary, means match with one another, but third base is not complementary. Here also two are complementary, but third is not complementary. So this condition called as Abel hypothesis, in that first two bases in different codons are complementary, but third one may not be complementary. Always remember Abel hypothesis. Such Abel hypothesis explain degeneracy of the code. Now, genetic code is universal is one of the characteristics of genetic code, because in all living organisms the specific codon specify same amino acid. Example, codon AUG specify amino acid methionine, means AUG triplet codon or codon specify only methionine amino acid. So genetic code is universal. Now AUG specify amino acid methionine in all organism from bacteria up to humans. So genetic code is universal. Genetic code is non-ambiguous. Each codon specify a particular amino acid. Alternately, two different amino acids will never be encoded by the same codon. Now, initiation codon is AUG is always an initiation codon in any and every mRNA. Each and every mRNA first codon or initiation codon is must be AUG. AUG code for amino acid methionine. Example here, this is one of the mRNA strand. AUG is one of the codon called as initiation codon because it is the first codon, and AUG is code for amino acid methionine. Termination codon, out of 64 codons, 3 codons are like UAA, UAG and UGA are termination codons which terminate or stop the process of elongation of polypeptide chain or translation. So UAA, UAG, UGA is termination codon. Here UAA is termination codon. Also these two are also termination codon, means total 3 are termination codon, also called as stop codon. All these 3 termination or stop codon, they do not code for any amino acid, means these 3 codons do not specify any one amino acid, so called as terminate codon or stop codon. Always remember, termination codon are specific, initiation codon also specific, and initiation codon and termination codon are the characteristics of genetic code. Codon means a triplet of nucleotide present on DNA code for specific amino acid called as codon. Example, AUG codon is always represented as 5AUG 3 direction, means 5 to 3 direction AUG. Anticodon means a triplet of nucleotide present on anticodon loop of tRNA which is complementary to codon on mRNA called as anticodon. Always remember, anticodon are present on anticodon loop of tRNA while codon are present on mRNA, both them complementary nature. Example, UAC is anticodon always represented as 3UAC 5 direction. Seen here, mRNA sequence AUG is a codon is complementary with anticodon loop present anticodon UAC tRNA. Seen here, tRNA anticodon loop on present anticodons UAC complementary with codon present on mRNA. AUG means AU complementary with A complementary with U, and C complementary with G. So anticodons and codons are complementary, but codons are present on mRNA, while anticodons are present on anticodon loop of tRNA. Up to this, different characteristics of genetic code we detail discuss. Now review today's topic. We learn today what is genetic code. According to Crick, protein synthesis information is stored in the form of coded language, cryptogram. G. Gamow suggested that a codon is combination of 3 nitrogen bases. G. Gamow suggested that a codon is combination of 3 nitrogen bases. M. Nirenberg and Mathai synthesis artificial mRNA. We learn today dictionary of genetic code, characteristics of genetic code. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted. Select the correct statement with respect to AUG codon. It is a code for methionine only, AUG. Second, it is an initiation codon. Both A and B, none of this. Yes, the correct answer is both A and B, because AUG is a code for methionine only, as well as AUG is an initiation codon. So correct answer is B, A and C, both A and B. Second MCQ question noted here. Anticodon always represent on mRNA, tRNA, anticodon loop, DNA, all of this. Yes, the correct answer is anticodon always represent on tRNA anticodon loop. Genetic code show definite polarity, that is direction 5 3 direction, 3 5 direction, both A and B, none of this. Yes, the correct answer is 5 3 direction. In oval hypothesis, actual base pairing occurs at only third position, first and second position only first position, all this position. Yes, the correct answer is oval hypothesis, actual base pairing occurs only first and second position only. B is a correct answer. What is the amino acid sequence encoded by base sequence GUU, UCU, GUU, AGG, GUU on an mRNA segment with the help of dictionary of genetic code. So first sequence UGUU means here GUU valine amino acid, specify. Second one is UCU, Here UCU, serine amino acid. Number third, GUU, here GUU also valine amino acid. Number fourth, AUG, methionine amino acid. And last, GUU, here also valine amino acid. So noted the correct answer. Amino acid sequence: valine, serine, valine, methionine and valine. Valine GUU, serine UCU, valine also JUU, methionine AUG, GUU also valine. Now, what is the amino acid sequence encoded by base sequence GUU, UCU, GUU, AUG, GUU of an mRNA segment with the help of dictionary of genetic code? You know that serine, phenylalanine, serine, glycine, serine are coded by GUU, UCU, GUU, AUG, GUU. Now some questions. Degeneracy of the code is explained by, yes, Obel hypothesis. Explain degeneracy of the code. Sequence of 3 consecutive nucleotides specify, yes, specific amino acid. Difference between codon and anticodon, yes, codon are present on mRNA while anticodon are present on anticodon loop of tRNA. Codon are complementary with anticodons. Which codon do not code for any amino acid? Yes, termination codon or stop codon do not code for any amino acid, means not specify any amino acid. During replication and transcription, a nucleic acid is copied to from another nucleic acid. Finally, Nirenberg, Mathai and Ocha deciphered all the dash codons, 64 codons in the dictionary of genetic code. What is cryptogram? Cryptogram are genetic code having 3 nitrogen bases, specify a specific amino acid, match the column A with column B. In column A, Dr. Hargobind Khurana, AUG, Sarvocha. In column B, initiation codon enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase, synthesis of artificial mRNA. Here Dr. Hargobind Khurana match with synthesis of artificial mRNA, means A match with C. AUG is one of the codon match with initiation codon, because AUG G is initiation codon. Saroja discovery enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase. So 3 match with B. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my BioInfo YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.